Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I would like to show you one of the October updates of Power BI. Here is the first update of visual calculation in Power BI. Earlier, we could create visual calculation of bar chart by selecting these functions listed in Power BI. For example, running sum, moving average versus previous, and so on. But now we can perform this visual calculation on combo chart as well as in case of field parameter. Here is the bar chart for sum of sales for product and count of country on tooltip. If I will show this graph in line and clustered chart, then I will put this count of country on y-axis. Here I can see we can easily select this chart, and for performing visual calculation I can click on visual calculation and choose any function that I want to perform. For example, I want to show versus previous calculation. I will select this and write formula. I will add sum of sales here and in previous as well. Then it will show the value on this graph as well for versus previous. If you like the video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you. We will see you in next video.